ಉಪ್ಪುಂದ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ 1-2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 5 ಟ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಉಂಟು. ನೀರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
Several residents of Uppunda in Karnataka's Udupi district fell ill after consuming contaminated water from an overhead tank. The water contained the pathogen Salmonella bacillary, leading to symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Prior to the contamination, water supply had been interrupted for 3 days. Local residents pointed to poor maintenance of the tank as the cause of the contamination. Authorities are conducting investigations to resolve the issue and prevent such incidents in the future.